Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to explain the difference between the roadway mode and layout mode and testing the subassembly in the Civil 3D. From the package setting, name the subassembly to EX, and from the input output parameter change the side to white. We don't need any parameter. First of all, let's create a decision to test if the subassembly in the layout mode or in roadway mode. We will say if the subassembly is in layout mode. If the subassembly, in that case we need to create the subassembly in the layout mode. Just drop a point. This point is the attachment point of the subassembly, and another point is the successive point of the subassembly, and let's be 3 meters in X far away from the P1. We don't see any change in the preview panel. If you change the roadway mode to layout mode, you see the change here. Now let's back to the condition and create the flowchart to the roadway mode. Break this link and reconnect the condition to the flowchart, and drop this point. This point will be the attachment of the subassembly in the roadway mode, and the second point will be 3 meter and -1 from the point 3. Let's change the layout mode to roadway mode and you will see the change here. Let's save the subassembly. Now let's test the subassembly in the Civil 3D. Okay, let's import the subassembly. Okay. To see the change between the roadway and layout mode, we need to create assembly and a corridor. Create a subassembly and attach the subassembly to it. This is the subassembly in the layout mode. Here is the layout mode of the assembly. If we use the assembly in corridor or section view, this will be the roadway mode. Let's create a corridor and select an alignment and EX and target surface, bulk it. Let's create a sample line for the cross section. Sample line. Don't need this. No, sorry, we need this. Code. Okay. Now for viewing the difference between the layout mode and roadway mode, we need a cross section. Okay, this is the subassembly in roadway mode and this is the subassembly and layout mode.